What is meditation? Meditation may be an ancient tradition, but it's still practiced in cultures all over the world to create a sense of calm and inner harmony. There are 9 types of meditation practices are. One, mindfulness meditation. 2, spiritual meditation. 3, focused meditation. 4, movement meditation. 5, mantra meditation. 6, transcendental meditation. 7, progressive relaxation. 8, loving kindness meditation. 9, visualization meditation. Here are 6 science-based benefits of meditation. 1. Reduce stress, depression and anxiety. 2. Can decrease blood pressure. 3. Promote emotional health. 4. Enhances self-awareness. 5. May reduce age-related memory loss. 6. May help fight addictions. Thank you for watching Health is Precious Wealth YouTube channel. Subscribe our channel for more videos.